Understanding a misstep in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, a misstep. Join us as we explore its nuances and usage, ensuring that you can confidently integrate it into your daily English communication. Let's get started. The phrase, a misstep, refers to a mistake or an error in judgment. It often implies a small but significant error, one that can lead to unintended consequences. This term is quite visual, as it originates from the literal act of placing one's foot incorrectly while walking or stepping, which can cause one to stumble or fall. In everyday language, it metaphorically signifies a slip-up in various contexts, from personal decisions to professional tasks. Let's see a misstep in action with some examples. In a personal context, he realized that not consulting his partner about the financial decision was a misstep. At work or in professional settings, the marketing team acknowledged a misstep in their campaign strategy that led to a loss in sales. In public life or politics, the politician's controversial statement was considered a misstep by the media. These examples show how a misstep can be applied in various scenarios, always indicating a deviation from the correct or expected course of action. It's important to use a misstep appropriately. Here are some tips. Pair it with verbs that indicate recognition or correction, like admit, correct, or address. Use it in situations where the error is not catastrophic but still requires attention. Avoid using it for very grave mistakes or errors. In such cases, stronger terms like blunder or failure might be more appropriate. And there you have it. You now understand what a misstep means and how to use it in your conversations or writings. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning a new language, so don't fear to take that next step. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve every day.